So here's a couple things that aren't mentioned in the instructions that are kind of important. So number one, I like to check this right here, the hinge side, to see if this is plumb. And this one is pretty good. It could stand to go out just a little bit, but it's pretty good. So I'm comfortable with being able to hold the hinge tight to this brick molding and know that the door is going to be plumb, but I'm going to double check it. So ideally you would screw those screws tight to this, and that would secure it a lot better, but you can make it plumb and then put screws in the front here and then not tighten these up so much. Or if you wanted to rip a shim by hand to make it absolutely perfect, that's cool, you can do that. Another thing to consider is if you say have a really old house, or your brick molding or your trim is really funky, if this side is different than this side, then you might have a problem. Let's say this side is like this and the other side is like this, basically like this. Then when this door closes on the jam side, you're gonna have it being held out a ways here, and then you might have it tight at the bottom or vice versa. So if you wanted to fix the trim in order to fix that, check it and do whatever you have to do, but that's not mentioned in the instructions. And something that is mentioned in the instructions that I don't like is this bottom piece. So let me show you why I don't like it. So I'm gonna put the door in like they say. I'm gonna put my hinge side tight over there, and then I'm gonna set this up just like that. So that's gonna help me hold it in place. But the problem is, if you look on the bottom, is this gap. So that's not sitting tight. They used to make these longer and you could cut them so it's nice and tight, but now they give you this, and basically what they tell you to do is get it in here, right? And this other clip is useful. So this hole, you should see the mounting surface. If there's any kind of hole in that hole, then you need to shim the other side. So that is useful. But this one, what they're telling me to do now is, it says that the door may be out of square. So you want to push it tight this way, and they tell you to attach this, then open the door and attach the screws on the inside. But first of all, that hinge isn't going to be tight, and second, this might be out of square. So I'm going to end up taking this off and installing this door the way I want to, the way that I know it's going to be plumb and square and everything. You can follow the instructions, do it that way if you want, but for me, that's not going to work for me. So I'm going to take this out and take that off. But now that I've checked the hinge side, I know that this is pretty good, and we'll just adjust before we put the screws in. Thank you, but no thank you.